Welcome to Tom Accessories, your ultimate destination for automotive innovation. Join us as we explore a world of cutting-edge car gadgets and accessories designed to elevate your driving experience, all right here on your favorite channel.
Experience instant relief from car heat with the KM Motors cooling fan. A versatile solution engineered to quickly lower your car's interior temperature and reduce windshield humidity on rainy days. Designed to immediately eliminate unwanted odors from cigarette smoke, dust, or pet smells, this cooling fan transforms your driving environment into a refreshing retreat. With no built-in battery, there's no risk of battery explosion in extreme summer heat. Simply power it via a cigarette lighter socket adapter or USB portable charger. Featuring a powerful yet whisper-quiet motor and offering 3 adjustable fan speeds, it adapts effortlessly to different environments and temperature changes. The long USB cable ensures flexible placement wherever you need it most. Embrace a cooler, more comfortable drive with KM Motors, so click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Redefine your outdoor adventure experience with Pirapara Kayak roof racks, meticulously crafted from high-quality alloy steel for unmatched durability. This versatile system comes as 2 pairs and is engineered to securely carry up to 2 kayaks with a total load capacity of 150 pounds. The wide-mouth J-bar design ensures effortless loading and unloading while optimizing your available roof space. Featuring heavy-duty steel framing with adjustable padding, it protects your kayak or canoe during transport, and its all-surface rust-resistant coating and hardware promise long-lasting performance. Quick on and off hardware enables fast installation and removal on most factory or aftermarket square, oval, and flat crossbars. Ideal for transporting other small sailboats, your perfect companion for any water sports adventure. Embrace American craftsmanship with the Rhino USA Car Hauler Kit, where a dedicated father-son business delivers premium quality and unmatched USA-based customer support. Designed and tested in the USA to exceed safety standards, this top-quality car hauler kit ensures your vehicle remains secure while trailering. By triangulating the anchor point to the wheels and tires, your vehicle's suspension can articulate freely on the trailer, reducing wear on shocks, springs, and other components while keeping straps securely in place during transport. Plus, every Rhino USA product comes with a lifetime replacement guarantee, ensuring you're 100% satisfied with a replacement or refund if any issues arise. Transform your drive with unparalleled ease using our innovative Jeep Top system. Enjoy an instant open-air experience without the hassle of removing and storing Freedom panels. Simply open and close your top in seconds. Designed for 2018 current 2- and 4-door Jeep Wrangler JL and Jeep Gladiator models with factory hardtops, this ready-to-install solution requires no drilling or modifications and can be set up in under 30 minutes. It comes complete with a pre-installed fabric on frame assembly, door rails, and detailed instructions. Crafted from premium black twill fabric, this system delivers all-purpose, all-weather, year-round functionality for a truly versatile and enjoyable ride. Revamp your adventure gear with the V70 Hitch Rack, your ultimate solution for secure, hassle-free bike transport. Designed to hold 2 bikes up to 65 pounds each, this versatile rack is perfect for road, mountain, and fat tire bikes up to 5 inches wide. It's compatible with SUVs and cars, featuring a 2-inch hitch receiver, though not for vehicles with less than 12 inches clearance. Class B vehicles, front-mounted setups, towed vehicles, fifth wheels, trailers, or 1¼ inch hitches step-through, women's, or folding bikes must use a frame adapter. The quick-release pedal tilts the rack for easy trunk access and folds neatly when not in use. Ratchet straps secure both narrow and fat tires without scratching rims, while 3 locking mechanisms firmly secure the rack to your hitch for a smooth, rattle-free journey. Backed by a 10-year manufacturer's warranty, Ride confidently, knowing your precious cargo is protected. Revolutionize your car care routine with our premium magnetic door protectors, engineered to shield your vehicle from scratches, dents, and dings, regardless of its size. Each pack includes 2 protective strips to provide comprehensive coverage. These weather-resistant, commitment-free strips feature high-energy magnets that instantly adhere to your car's exterior, ensuring a secure hold under any driving conditions. Unlike traditional door protectors, each magnet is finished with a premium coating to guarantee a scratch-free application. Be sure to clean your car's surfaces before installation to avoid residue-induced damage. With a sleek, matte black finish that extends and retracts seamlessly, these protectors deliver a tailored, factory-quality look that complements a wide range. When not in use, they easily detach and store in your trunk, door compartment, or under seats for ultimate convenience. Revitalize your cleaning routine with a dynamic 2-in-1 system that seamlessly combines an undercarriage pressure washer with a powerful foam cannon. This versatile tool delivers a working pressure of 1,500 to 4,000 psi, achieving optimal cleaning efficiency at 2,500 psi or higher, while the foam cannon operates at up to 3,600 psi for superior foam application. Enjoy complete adaptability with 5 different modes. For operation, simply pull out the nut on the pivoting coupler, rotate until it locks automatically, and note that brass nozzles are required when using the foam cannon to prevent leakage. Ideal for eliminating road dirt, oil, and fuel residues from trucks, SUVs, cars, and trailers, and versatile enough to double as a water broom for sidewalks, driveways, and decks. This system ensures a thorough, safe, and efficient cleaning experience. So, click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Unleash the full potential of your mobile experience with premium phone booster antenna, meticulously engineered to deliver fewer dropped calls, clear voice quality, and blazing fast mobile internet speeds for uninterrupted streaming, all from a convenient cradle mount. Supporting the latest 5G technology, this booster features tool-free installation guided by our intuitive app, ensuring a seamless setup process. Compatible with all major US carriers, it comes complete with a cradle-style inside antenna, a magnetic outside antenna, and a space-saving booster unit. The adjustable cradle securely fits devices from 5.1 to 7.5 inches, while its USA-crafted design underscores our commitment to data security. Enjoy expert US-based customer support via app, chat, phone, or email for a truly enhanced connectivity solution. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your car. Start your next adventure with our smart roof rack designed to transport your belongings safely and efficiently. This versatile system is perfect for vehicles and surfboards, a great alternative to phone blocks for surfing trips. Innovative, tool-free installation takes just minutes, and the soft top rack is equipped with 5 metal D-ring anchor points for added security. Universal crossbar fits popular models from Audi, BMW, Chevrolet, Ford, Honda, Hyundai, Jeep, Kia, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Nissan, Subaru, Tesla, Toyota, and VW. Note: not suitable for vehicles with soft tops or side curtain airbags. For vehicles without rails, roof rails, or panoramic roofs, there is a handy inflatable option designed with aerodynamic pads to reduce vibration and wind noise. Portable and easy to remove, remember not to leave it on your vehicle when not in use. Savor the rich taste of authentic espresso, anytime, anywhere, with the Minipresso GR, a revolutionary, battery-free handheld machine that puts barista-quality coffee at your fingertips. Designed for coffee lovers on the go, it allows you to experiment with any coffee bean or roast, delivering up to 50 milliliters of authentic espresso wherever you are. Note that the Minipresso GR does not heat water, so simply add your pre-boiled hot water into the water tank. To brew, fill the filter basket with ground coffee using the integrated scoop. Apply slight pressure to level the grind, then unlock the piston from its travel position and pump a few strokes to pressurize and extract espresso with a generous crema. Crafted with space and weight in mind, this device is the smallest, lightest, and most versatile handheld espresso machine perfect for travel, home, or office use. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Enhance your driving safety with advanced driver assistance system that detects nearby obstacles and provides 5 critical alerts. Intelligent blind spot detection monitors hazardous areas during lane changes and reversing, helping to prevent collisions. Featuring a 4K UHD front camera with WDR technology, this system delivers dual vision recording to capture key details like road signs and license plates while minimizing glare. Its voice control function supports 9 commands for hands-free control, enabling you to start-stop recordings or capture still images effortlessly. An external GPS accurately logs your route, providing reliable evidence in case of incidents. A parking monitor triggers a locked 20-second recording upon collision detection by the G-sensor. Continuous loop recording and time-lapse mode optimize storage and power usage, ensuring uninterrupted protection.